Hi everyone, this is PingPing, Priscilla. I just made this very famous Taiwanese dish, Braised Pork Belly. And today, I'm going to use those already prepared braised pork belly to make another very famous Taiwanese street food,刮包, braised pork belly buns. Before I share some fun facts about the name刮包, let's look at what ingredients do we need to make those buns. First of all, get your flour ready, then add milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, you can just add all-purpose flour. Then yeast, baking powder, white sugar, and tiny little bit honey. Mix them a little bit, then set aside. Now, I will pour some oil into warm water. Now the dry and liquid ingredients are ready. I will combine them and mix them well until it can come together. When they can kind of form a shape, then it's time to knead the dough. Now, as I mentioned previously, the name Gua Bao has many interesting meanings, so I want to share with you. First of all, Gua Bao is a Taiwanese dialect pronunciation. It's not official Mandarin Chinese, but it's the most commonly used name for Taiwanese people to call this braised pork belly buns. Another name for Gua Bao is Yi Bao. Yi means cut it open with a knife. You can often see Gua Bao in rounded or oval shape. Then you will fold in half to make your buns. The most traditional fillings include braised pork belly, pickled mustard greens, cilantro, and peanut powder. A lot of time, they will add white sugar into the peanut powder so the bun will have a sweet taste. Another fun fact about the name is it looks like a tiger is biting a pig. It's just like a Hakka's dialect pronunciation. Keep the good fortune with you. It's also very popular to see them at the year-end party because the shape of the buns look like a purse with a lot of money inside. The last fun fact is about the businessman. During the whole year, they might need to say some white lies, so at the end of the year party, they will put the whole year's white lies into the buns and eat it, so they can start a brand new year. Now, I have rolled out the dough, so I can find a cutter or a cover of a container to cut out the rounded shape to make the buns. Coat the rounded dough with a little bit oil and fold in half. You can use the rolling pin to press it down a little bit to settle the shape. And let them rest for another 30 minutes. At this time, I will prepare my pickled mustard greens. I just stir-fry it for 5 minutes with garlic, hot pepper, and a little bit honey to balance the sour taste. Now is the time to steam the buns with medium-high heat. Also, your steam pot should have a hole to let the steam out. And when they are done, don't open the cover right away. Let them rest for 5 minutes so the shapes can maintain well. Typically, when you buy braised pork belly buns in Taiwan, you can have 3 options for your meat. One is half lean, half fat. Second will be more lean meat. And third will be more fat meat. Then you will have pickled mustard greens cilantro, and peanut powder to add on top of the meat. At last, don't forget to add some sweetened chili sauce to taste. At the end, I want to give my special thanks to Gabe Van Sloun, who's doing all the filming for my videos and also composed and played the background piano music. You're just such a talented young man. Thank you for your participation. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.